Let me tell you a story. A teacher was teaching the children about how a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. She showed them a cocoon and said in about 2 hours, it will turn into a butterfly. The children waited, and in 2 hours the cocoon cracked. And then they saw a small butterfly struggling so hard to get out of that hard shell. And then one boy felt sad for that butterfly. So he cracked the cocoon and he came back. When the butterfly came out, in 2 minutes, it died. The teacher came and explained that the struggle that the butterfly did against that hard shell was necessary for that butterfly to develop strong wings. The boy did not help the butterfly, it helped it die. Toastmasters, respected guests, and my dear friends, on 13th May at 5 p.m., when we walked into the youth leadership program, we walked in with hesitant steps. We were the caterpillars. We were the people who did not know that we could speak in public. We were scared. We had our cocoons, the fear of public speaking. But unlike the caterpillar in the story, we struggled. Over the last 6 Wednesdays and Saturdays, we struggled very hard and we finally broke through our cocoon and emerged as 16 beautiful butterflies. Friends, can you believe it? The 3 saddest words in life are, we should have. But we didn't say them because we did it. Guess what? Dreams are not about a matter of choice. It's not about a matter of chance, but a matter of choice. Life is just another tray. You just pick it up, put the food that you want, and then in the end, you pay the bill. But the point is, you can do whatever you want, but in the end, you have to pay the price. Life is a journey. Our Toastmaster journey may be ending today, but our journey as leaders, communicators, as well as dreamers starts today. It is my privilege to declare this session, the last session of YLP, open today. Today, to take us to the rest of the ceremony, we have 2 extremely talented people. Firstly, a very dignified and extremely talented Manasa, and we have an extremely energetic and supposedly very modest Amoga. So put your hands together everybody for Amoga and Manasa.